Hi friends, welcome to Wells's channel. Today I'm going to show you what to do if you can't log into TikTok with Facebook. Go to Facebook and click on the three lines. Then click Settings here. Next, scroll down here. Oh, here we're interested in apps and websites. Right, let's go into that. Okay. Scroll all the way down, click Disable, and then accordingly click Enable. Next, go into TikTok, click on the three lines and click Settings and Privacy. If you scroll all the way to the bottom, here you'll find something called Clear Space and then clear the cache. That's it. Then try logging back in again. Wells was with you today. Goodbye everyone.